Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in the Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to the series of the lectures of Maths 10th class. We have been discussing different concepts of polynomial, like we have found out the relationship between zeros and the coefficients of a quadratic polynomial in the last session. Now let us do a problem where they gave sum and the product of a polynomial, then they are asking us to find the polynomial, right? That is, they gave the sum and the product, that is sum as 1 and product also as 1. What is the general quadratic formula? That is some constant, let us put this constant all the time, okay, into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0, right. This is a formula for a general quadratic formula when the roots are given, right. Now let us substitute that as it is k into x square minus what is sum of roots? 1. What is product of roots? 1, right. Therefore, the equation itself becomes as x square minus x plus 1, right. This is a required polynomial. This is a required equation. What is a polynomial? That is x square minus x plus 1, right. This is how we will find a quadratic polynomial when sum and product of roots are given. Let us find out for second question, that is sum of roots is given as root 2, product of roots is given as 1 by 3, right. What is the formula? K into x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0, isn't it? Now let us substitute that k into x square minus what is alpha plus beta? Root 2. What is alpha beta? 1 by 3. Is it right? Let us multiply this. It becomes x square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3. Let us take this 3 as LCM. LCM 3. 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. That is, we can write it equation as 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, right. This is the quadratic polynomial for a given sum of roots and product of roots. Is it clear? Now let us solve for remaining two problems. Okay. What is the third question given? They gave sum of roots as minus 1 by 4 and product of roots as 1 by 4. Let us do that. That is, sum of roots is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, product of roots is 1 by 4. What is the equation? K into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Let us substitute in this x square minus what is alpha plus beta? Minus 1 by 4 into x plus what is alpha beta? 1 by 4. That is k into x square minus 2 minus plus 1 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. If we take 4 as LCM, it becomes 4x square plus x plus 1 whole divided by 4. If we write it, it becomes k into 4x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic polynomial. Let us find it for fourth question. What is sum of roots here? It is 1 by 4. Product of roots is minus 1. Is it right? What is the equation? Don't forget to write the formula, right? That is k into x square minus what is alpha plus beta? 1 by 4 into x. What is alpha beta? Minus 1. Let us write it as k into x square minus x by 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 into x is x, plus into minus is minus 1. If we take 4 as LCM, it becomes 4x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. If we send this 4 that side, it becomes 4x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the required polynomial, right. In most of the cases, remember that k should be 1. Why do we write k? Because see here, the coefficient of x is 1 here, but in most of the cases we may not get 1, right. It is okay in this case, but we can't assure that we cannot have this constant in the coefficient place, right. Is it clear? What all we discussed? We discussed what is a polynomial, quadratic polynomial, how to find the zeros, its graphs, then we found out the relationship between zeros and coefficients, Then we found out the quadratic polynomial when sum and the product are given. Let us find the equation of a polynomial when two roots are given or two zeros are given. Let us see that. See here, what is the question given? He is asking us to find the quadratic polynomial when these different zeros are given. That is, the given values are alpha and beta, right. Now let us write for the first solution, alpha is 2 and beta is -1, right. What is the equation? That is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0, right. What is this alpha plus beta and alpha beta? Those are sum of roots, right. What is alpha given? 2. What is beta given? -1. That is nothing but 2 minus 1, which is 1, right. What is product of roots? 2 into -1. 2 ones are 2, plus into minus is minus. Let us substitute these both in this equation. It becomes k into x square minus alpha plus beta is 1 plus alpha beta is -2, isn't it? Now let us solve it. It becomes k into x square minus x minus 2, right. If there is nothing like a fraction or everything, we can directly write k is equal to 1. That is, for k is equal to 1, the polynomial becomes as x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Is it clear? This is the polynomial. Then what is the second question? That is root 3 and minus root 3. What is alpha given here? Root 3. What is beta given here? Minus root 3. Right. Now let us substitute in the quadratic polynomial. See here. Remember, quadratic polynomial, that is equal to k into x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. You need not specify 0, okay, as if now. It is better not to specify 0, okay. Let us not specify it, okay. Since it is a polynomial, it is better not to specify a equal to 0, okay. Now let us substitute it there. Now we have to find the values of alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta. What is alpha? Root 3. What is beta? Minus root 3. That is root 3 minus root 3, it becomes 0, right. What is the product of roots? Root 3 into minus root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, plus into minus is 3. Let us substitute that in that. It becomes k into x square minus 0x plus 3. That is k into x square plus 3, right. If we remove this k, for what value of k? For k is equal to 1, the quadratic polynomial becomes as x square plus 3. Is it right? Let us go for the next problem. What is the third thing? That is, what is alpha here? 1 by 4, beta is -1. For this we have to find first alpha plus beta, that is 1 by 4 minus 1. Here LCM is 4, it becomes 1 minus 4, which is minus 3 by 4, right. What is alpha beta? 1 by 4 into minus 1, that is 1 by 4. Let us substitute that in the equation or the polynomial. That is, required quadratic polynomial is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. That is k into x square minus, what is alpha plus beta? Minus 3 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4. Here the LCM is 4, right. Let us cross multiply, let us do LCM. It becomes 4x square minus 2 minus plus 3x plus 1 whole divided by 4. What could be the value of k, so that this is the polynomial? That is, for k is equal to 4, the required polynomial will becomes as 4x square plus 3x plus 1. Is it clear? Hope you understood how to write this k value, isn't it? Now let us go for the fourth problem. That is, in the fourth problem, what is alpha? Alpha is given as 1 by 2, beta is given as 3 by 2. What is sum of zeros? 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, which is LCM is 2, 1 plus 3. It is 4 by 2, it becomes 2, right. What is product of roots? 1 by 2 into 3 by 2, which is 3 ones are 3, 2 twos are 4, right. Let us substitute in the equation. What is required polynomial? That is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Clear? Don't forget to write this formula all the time, right. We have been discussing the fourth problem, still I am writing the formula, right. Just try to understand the importance of that, because whatever the problem it is, make sure that you write the given conditions or the given values and the formula, don't forget that, okay. See here, that is k into x square minus, what is alpha plus beta? 2x, what is alpha beta? 3 by 4, right. Let us take LCM for this, it becomes 4x square minus 8x plus 3 whole divided by 4, right. The people who do not know how to do LCM think that whatever it is there in the denominator, right, just multiply to the other terms where 4 is not there. Is it okay? See here, there is no 4 here, there is only 1. If nothing is there in the multiplication of or division, remember that it is 1, right. That is, since there is no 4 here, we will multiply it to this terms, it becomes 4x square minus 8x plus 3, isn't it? Now, for what value of k this will be the required polynomial? That is, for k is equal to 4, this thing will be our polynomial, that is 4x square minus 8x plus 3, isn't it? This will be the required polynomial. Is it clear? This is how we will discuss different kinds of quadratic polynomials. What all we have discussed in this exercise? We have discussed how to find the zeros and how to write the relationship between zeros and the coefficients, isn't it? Then after we have discussed about how to find the quadratic polynomial when sum and the product of zeros are given, isn't it? And the next we have discussed about a quadratic polynomial when two different zeros are given, right. Now let us discuss about how to verify a given roots are the zeros of the given cubic polynomial, right. Let us see that. See here, the question given here it is, they are asking us to verify 1, minus 1, 3 are the zeros of the given cubic polynomial, right. When a polynomial is said to be cubic, when the degree is 3. Can you see here, the degree given here it is 3, which means it will have 3 zeros, they gave 3 zeros, right. And the next he is asking us to verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. Hope you remember the last formula, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma, isn't it? Now let us verify first whether these 3 are the zeros of this or not. How to verify? How did we do in the second exercise? How did we check? We will substitute the given zeros in the given quadratic polynomial. If it gets satisfied, then we can tell that these are the zeros of this polynomial, right. Now let us check what is given. X cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3 is a given polynomial. Let us say it is p of x, right. Now he is asking that to check whether these 3 are the zeros. Now let us substitute and check. For x is equal to 1, that is p of 1 is equal to, let us substitute 1 in everything, 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 1 plus 3, that is, what is 1 cube? 1, 1 square is 1 minus 3, 3 into 1 is minus 3 minus 1 plus 3, is it right? 1 minus 1, 3, 3 get cancelled, it becomes 0. Therefore, x equal to 1 is a 0 of p of x, right. Now let us substitute the second value, that is for x is equal to minus 1, that is p of minus 1, it becomes as, again we have to substitute minus 1 in the given equation, that is minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 3, right. What is the cube of minus 1? That is minus 1 into minus 1 into 1, clear. 3 negative numbers, I already told a cube of a negative number is always negative. 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1, 1 ones are 1, again 1 ones is 1, right. Negative number ka square is positive, plus 1 into minus 3 it becomes minus 3, Is it right? Now see here, minus 1 into minus 1, it is plus 1 plus 3. Here also minus 1 plus 1 minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled. We will get as 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 is also a 0 of p of x. Is it right? Now what is the third root given? 3. Now let us substitute for x is equal to 3, p of 3 is equal to, we have to substitute 3 instead of x, that is 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 3 plus 3, right. Now let us simplify. What is 3 cube? 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Again 3 square is 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 3 plus 3, again 27, 27, 3, 3 get cancelled, we get it as 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3 is a 0 of p of x, isn't it, right? See here, we could prove that x equal to 1 is a 0, minus 1 is 0 and 3 is a 0, right. Then next, what is the next step here? He is asking us to verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients, as we have did for the quadratic polynomial, right. For that, first we have to find these things, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma, right. What is alpha given? 1. Alpha is 1, beta is minus 1, gamma is 3, right. Let us substitute them in that. 1 plus minus 1 plus 3, right. 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 plus 3 is 3, is it right? Now let us find the second then, that is alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha, right. Alpha is 1, beta is minus 1, beta is minus 1, gamma is 3 plus gamma is 3, alpha is 1, right. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. Is it clear? What is 1 into minus 1? Minus 1. Minus 1 into plus 3? Minus 3. 3 ones are 3. This get cancelled, we get it as minus 1. Is it clear? Now let us find alpha, beta, gamma. That is 1 into minus 1 into 3, which is 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Is it clear? These are the 3 different values. Now we have to check with the formula. Now we have to write this, right. It is in the form of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. What is the value of a here? A is 1. What is the coefficient of x square? Minus 3, which is b. What is the coefficient of x? That is minus 1. What is the constant here? It is nothing but 3. Is it right? Then what is the formula? That is, we have to find alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha, and alpha beta gamma, right. I already told how to remember, right. This will be divided by a, divided by and divided by a, right. We have to write it as b, c, d, here minus, here minus. Hope you can remember that. See here, minus, what is the value of b? Minus 3. What is a? 1. Minus into minus plus, which is nothing but 3, right. Now see here, what is c by a? C is minus 1, a is 1, it is nothing but minus 1, right. Similarly, minus d by a, what is minus? 3, and what is a? 1. Minus 3 by 1 is minus 3. Right. Now check this. This is first one of this and this is first one of this. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is 3 here. Here also alpha plus beta plus gamma is 3 here. Right. Now we can write it like this. First one, first one. What is alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha in this? Minus 1. What is alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha? Here it is minus 1. Is it same? Yes, they are. And the third thing is alpha beta gamma, we got it as minus 3 here and we also got here minus 3, hence verified. Is it right? Is it clear? This is how we will verify a 3 zeros of a given cubic polynomial, right? What all we discussed in this exercise? We discussed finding the zeros and verifying the relationship between coefficients and the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, of a cubic polynomial, right? And we have found out the quadratic polynomial when the sum and the product is given and when the two different zeros are given. Is it right? And finally, there is a big problem. Even if they give another question also, you should be able to solve, but make sure that you write these coefficients exactly. Do not get confused whenever you write that, right? How to remember is A, B, C, D, it should be in order and the power should be cube, square, 1 and 0. Is it right? 0 is nothing but our constant. Is it clear? This is how we will solve the basic problems. In the next class, we will discuss about some typical question which will be a long answer question for you people, that is your division algorithm. You have a basic idea of how to divide a linear polynomial with a cubic polynomial, right? In this next exercise, we will discuss about not only cubic polynomial, a polynomial with a degree 4, right, when divided by linear polynomial or a cubic polynomial, how to find the remaining zeros, right? And what is a factor theorem, remainder theorem, we will just give a glance of everything in the next session. Okay, is it clear for today? Right, this is for today. Let us discuss about more concepts of polynomials in our next session. Okay, thank you.